Hi everyone, today I am going to share with you on how I collect my seeds from some of my plants here in our small backyard garden. This is the bok choy plants that I allow it to flower and let it dry. Now it's time to collect the seeds. Look how small the seeds are. Look how much I got. I have plenty for the next season. This is the dill plants. Now I am going to collect the seeds as well. Look how many seeds I have in here. Now this is my full black beans. All I have to do is let it dry and then harvest the seeds. Look at these black beans here. See? They are all dried up and ready to be stored. I have collected my tomato seeds as well. In this bowl, I have the big beef tomato. Look how much seeds I have in here. In this bowl, I have the San Marzano seeds tomato. As you remember, I have the volunteer tomato that grow in my garden and I couldn't figure it out what type of variety it is. So now I figured it out. It is the San Marzano. In this bowl, I have the beefsteak tomato, one of the favorites here in our backyard. So easy to grow, very productive, and the fruits are huge. So these are the seeds that I have saved from my garden so far. So this is the black beans. Make sure that you put the name of the seeds and the date as well. And in here I have the flat beans. Right here is the poo beans. And this is my bitter melon. This right here is a dill seeds. So you see, I wrote the name of the seeds and the date, August 2021. And right here, oh, this is the dill seeds as well. I have plenty of them. Now over here, I have dried some tomato seeds. Tomato seeds. So this is the big beef tomato, the biggest tomato in my garden. So I already saved the seeds for it. And over here, I have the San Marzano seeds. And the last but not the least, I have the beefsteak tomato. So when you save your seeds, just make sure you place it in a plastic bag or any container that you have saved, and then make sure that you put the label and then the date. So these seeds are going to be planted again next year in my garden. Oops, I forgot one more seeds. So this is new in my garden. This is a bok choy. It's a Chinese greens. So I let it flower and save the seeds for the next season. So now I will have plenty of bok choy next year. See how much money you save if you save your own seeds from your own garden.